Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find squares of 1 to 1000 numbers easily. If you know oral additions and oral multiplication, then squaring is very easy. Let's see now with examples. Okay. Let's take 36 square. Here two digits are there. Consider 3 as A and 6 as B. Then write like A plus B whole square. So, a square is equal to 3 square 9, 2ab, that is 2 into 3 into 6, 2 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Next b square is equal to 6 square, that is 36. I am writing all this by keeping a slash. 9 slash 36 slash 36. These three values I wrote by keeping a slash. Now we need to balance. Already we know how to balance, no? Balancing rule. Here 6 is single digit. So the answer should be in single digit. If you'll get double digit, then you need to carry forward. Okay? Write 6 here. Next carry forward this 3 to here. 36 plus 3 becomes 39. Write 9. Next carry forward 3 to here. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So this is the answer. 36 square is equal to 1296. So simple, no? Let's take one more example. Let's take 93 square. I am writing directly. So 9 square, keep a slash. Next 2 into 9 into 3, keep a slash. Next 3 square. 9 9 is 81. 2 9 is 18. 18 3 is 54. 3 square. How much? 3 3 is 9. Here we have only single digit. So write directly 9. No need to carry anything. Here we have double digit. We need to take only one digit. Because here these two are single digits. So write 4 here. Carry forward this 5 to here. So 81 plus 5 becomes 86. 93 square how much? 8649. Let's take one more example. 57 square. So what we need to do? First write 5 square, keep a slash. 2 into 5 into 7, keep a slash. 9, next 7 square. 5 square is equal to 25. 2 5 is 10. 10 7 is 70. 7 square 49. Both digits are single, no? So we need to take answer in single digit only. But here we got two digits. So we need to take only one digit, that is 9. Next carry forward this 4 to here. 70 plus 4 becomes 74. Then write 4 here. Again carry forward 7 here. 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. So the answer is 3249. Is it clear? Now let's see 3 digit squares. Okay. First take 312 square. Here I will consider 3 as single digit. This 1 2 as a single number. Okay. So think A as 3. This 12 as B. So write 3 square, 2 into 3 into 12, next 12 square. Okay. 3 square how much? 9. 2 3 is 6. 6 12 is 72. 12 square 144. Observe carefully. Here 12 is 2 digit number. Right? So take only 2 digits. If you will get answer in 2 digits, you can write directly. If you will get answer in 3 digits, then take only 2 digits and carry forward this digit to next number. Okay. So write answer now. Write 44. Then carry forward this 1 to here. It becomes 72 plus 1, 73. It is in 2 digits. We can write directly. So write 73. Next 9. You can write 9 directly. So the answer is 97,344. Is it clear? Shall I tell one more example to get a clear picture? Let's take one more example. Let's take 504 whole square. So consider 5 as single digit and 04 also one single number. So write 5 square, keep a slash 2 into 5 into 4. 04 we can write as 4, no? Next 4 square. 5 square is equal to 25. 2 5 is 10. 10 into 4, 40. Next 4 square is 16. Here 04 is 2 digits, no? So the answer we need to take in 2 digits. Anyway, we got here 2 digits. So I am writing directly 16, next 40, next 25. So the answer is how much? 2,54,016. Let's take one more example. 911 square. Okay. Consider 9 as A and 11 as B. So write 9 square slash 2 into 9 into 11 slash 11 square. So 9 square is 81. 2 9s are 18. 18 11s are 198. 11 square is 121. See here 2 digits are there. So we need to take answer in only 2 digits. So I am taking 21 here and I am carrying this 1 to here. 198 plus 1 becomes 199. In that I am taking only 2 digits, that is 99, and carry forwarding 1 here. So 81 plus 1 becomes 82. Right? So the answer is 8,29,921. See friends, if you know oral additions and oral multiplications, then squaring 1 to thousands is a cup of tea. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.